Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious chocolate ice cream cake at home. First, let's prepare the crust. You'll need about 250 grams of chocolate sandwich cookies and half a cup of melted butter. Crush the cookies thoroughly, then combine them with the butter. Press this mixture firmly into the bottom of a 9-inch springform pan. This creates a sturdy and flavorful foundation for your amazing dessert. Pop it into the freezer to chill while we prepare the next layer. Now for the star of the show, the ice cream layer. Take about 1.5 liters of your favorite chocolate ice cream out of the freezer to soften slightly. This makes it much easier to spread smoothly. Once it's pliable, carefully spoon it over your chilled cookie crust, ensuring an even layer. Use an offset spatula to get it perfectly flat. Place the cake back into the freezer for at least 2 hours or until it's completely firm. Patience is key for a perfect slice. Next, we'll add a luscious chocolate ganache. Melt 100 grams of good quality chocolate with half a cup of heavy cream, stirring until smooth. Let it cool slightly before pouring it over your firm ice cream cake. Spread it gently to cover the top. For extra flair, you can add chocolate shavings, sprinkles, or a dollop of whipped cream. This layer adds a beautiful finish and an extra burst of chocolatey goodness. Freeze again for about 30 minutes to set the ganache. Your incredible chocolate ice cream cake is almost ready to enjoy. Before serving, let it sit at room temperature for about 10 minutes. This makes it easier to slice and ensures the ice cream isn't too hard. For perfect slices, dip your knife in warm water and wipe it clean between each cut. It's truly a showstopper dessert that everyone will love. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.